Hello YouTubers, thank you for coming to my channel. This is Sam's Automotive. So today uh, we're changing the pump here. I'm going to show you, this is a 3126 Caterpillar engine. So here is the part number in Cadillac, in Caterpillar 128 2050. There is our new pump. Also has same numbers cast on them, original stuff. So pretty much the way it works, this pump, the way it works is it has this plumber in here inside. So this pump, this valve here goes up and down, up and down, up and down, just like a manual pump. Every time it goes up and down, it sucks the diesel from the tank through here. As you can see right in here, it say in and out. So the fuel goes in here, sucks it out, goes in the top line, and I'm gonna show you real quick. The top line, so here's the main line right here, the one at the bottom, and then here's the one at the top. So see this lub right here? There's a cam. There's a cam right behind this pump. See this thing? It turns around and it goes up and down, up and down. You know, it goes up and down, up and down. So it's manually. So this is what push that pins, you know, to bring the fuel manually by this line here. And so that builds pressure and it goes into a line into this port, and this port fills that filter right here, and then the fuel goes through here into the engine, and that makes it to start. So there's the old one here. I gotta remove this little fittings here and put in my old one. Same thing. I don't think there is damage in this one, but maybe the regulator is in here. You know, it might be bad. So that's what I'm putting a new one in. Um, I checked if there is getting fuel, and it is getting diesel over here. So I'm gonna put the new one in and see how it goes. But problem the issue that I'm having is I'm starving. There is no fuel getting in there. So you can fill that up. The fuel filter, you can diesel filter, you can fill it up, and the engine is gonna start. But once that gets emptied, it dies. So at that point, it tells you that um, this pump here is not doing his job of bringing the fuel from the tank. The other things you got to check that the line over there. So I already checked the line. What I did is I came here and I got one of those electrical pumps. Um, and so I bypass it right here. I put this line coming from the tank, socket, and put it in the output. That goes right into the filter, and from the filter goes all the way to that line. So again, this is a Caterpillar 3621. Thank you for watching, guys. May God bless you.